Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite countries in the world, Italy. Italy is a country with a rich history, stunning landscapes, delicious food, and amazing culture. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome, there's something for everyone in Italy. Let's start with history. Italy is home to some of the world's most famous historical sites, like the Colosseum in Rome, the ruins of Pompeii, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. You can wander through ancient cities and marvel at the architecture that has stood the test of time. But Italy is also a country of contrasts. While the cities are full of history and culture, the countryside is just as breathtaking. You can hike through the Dolomite Mountains, or take a leisurely drive through the rolling hills of Tuscany. And of course, there are the beaches. Italy has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with crystal clear waters and soft sand. Now, let's talk about food. Italian cuisine is known and loved all over the world. From pizza and pasta to gelato and espresso, the flavors of Italy are sure to delight your taste buds. And let's not forget about the wine. Italy produces some of the best wines in the world, and there are countless vineyards to explore. But Italy isn't just about history, nature, and food. It's also about the people and their culture. Italians are known for their warmth, their sense of style, and their love of family. From fashion to art to music, Italy has made countless contributions to the world of culture. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a nature lover, or just looking for a beautiful place to explore, Italy has something for you. So why not plan a trip and experience it for yourself? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.